So today, I'm gonna take you on a tour. I'm gonna take you on a walk around Soundview in the Bronx. It's a pretty spread out area, but I'm gonna do the best I could to get some good videos, some walls. You know, it's just another one of those neighborhoods that's definitely cleaned up, but there's stuff around. It's a lot of cool productions, some street stuff. So I'm gonna share with you with what I find. I'm out here on foot. It's a nice day to take a walk. It's the beginning of February and I got a hoodie on. It's not even that cold. That's this writer, Blame. Blame is a really dope writer. I think he's from Yonkers originally. He started the Slaughterhouse Crew, SHK, which is a really dope crew. I gotta document more of their walls. They've been doing a lot of really, really dope walls. King B. Real famous Bronx writer. He's been around forever. It's King B UW. And Per One, of course, Per FX. His pieces are always so fresh. Basically, this whole line, he's been painting this. He's always had productions. The FX crew has had productions on this wall for so many years. There was actually a little time period where the walls were chipping away and they were kind of fading, but he took them back. They put all new pieces on all the walls. I think there is one wall that's pretty old that might still be running up here, or I could be confused because I think it was where those silver stompers were. This is a Tats Crew, FX Crew production. Been here for a couple years now. That's Ski from Puerto Rico. It's Bio Tats Crew. These pieces are always really dope. Per FX Crew. This is Sess. And Nicer. Tats Crew. BG 183. Tats Crew. I feel like the way this wall is kind of chipping away, I think it's been here for like 5 years now. They might redo it soon. Possibly. I don't know. I don't know their schedule, but they have been rapidly redoing a lot of the walls along this line. This is a cool one. This is a Germs piece. He's a Queens writer. He's down with the Rocksteady crew. He's a world famous hip hop DJ, and he's been painting graffiti most of his life, painting really dope pieces for pretty much his entire life. And it's cool to see a Germs piece up here in the Bronx. Usually out in Queens he's got a lot of stuff, or Brooklyn. He paints a lot, but I think Topaz did this character. Topaz is another really dope Queens writer. I remember him from 5 Points. I painted with him several times at 5 Points. The GA-NSK. It's a U5 writer. So probably Bushwick writer. GA1. This is a Tats Crew production. Another really great Tats Crew production. Actually, it says Per Bio Nicer BG 183 Crash Cess PT, and the last guy I'm not too familiar with. This must be a firefighter that passed away. I'm not too familiar. Yeah, I'm gonna look that up later. I'm curious. She probably was a local resident firefighter that passed away. Not sure who this artist is, but it's pretty cool. hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment if you like this video, and I'll catch you on the next video.